Well, the theme of this hunt is digging nickel signals, and first one was a nickel. This is a nice, thin, come on, and old button. Cool. Well, now we got a little buckle. See the iron tang up there, brass body. That's why it sounded weird. Nothing we're digging today is really like above a copper penny. So basically like 20s, low 20s in Equinox and down. That's all we're doing. There's another nickel signal. I think it's some kind of suspender garment clip. It's got some design on it. Come on, focus. There you go. Did not sound great. Yeah, that's the spoon. It's very wedged like that. All I saw was the bowl. Silver plate. Pretty mangled, but it's been a while since I've dug a silver plate spoon, so I will take it. Are there any, let's see. Focus. No, I haven't even dug or pulled the target out yet. It's a knife right there. Probably not that old, but I never find these. Cool. This is a struggle. I dropped it once. It's an itty bitty little button. To show you what we're working with. That was and is a mess. Very difficult. Yeah, we're just scraping for stuff when my pinpointer's dead, and that's an eyeball gem button find. No idea how old that is. So in the meantime, we're poking around this little bottle area. I found a nice cabin ink in here last night. There'll be a picture, but we just popped this little guy out. Oh yeah. Slick, but it's old. I will take it.